Hey, I'm not here to hate anyone. I'm just talking facts. And if that makes you mad, well, maybe you should listen anyway. First, what is a woman? It's not a feeling, it's not a dress, it's not a pronoun. A woman is an adult human female. And a female? That's biology, built around one thing, producing the big gamete, the egg. Not sperm, not anything else, just one. Two kinds on Earth. There's no third. There's no spectrum. Now here's the part people don't want to hear. There are over 6,500 measurable differences between male and female bodies. Bones, muscles, brains, hormones, every single one. Not mostly, not kinda, completely different. And none of them swap out. You can't just rewire it, not with pills, not with surgery, not with anything. So when we're talking bathrooms, sports, prisons, biology is the only thing that makes sense, doesn't it? Not feelings, not pronouns. If you're built like a man, muscles, bones, testosterone, you shouldn't be in a space where women are changing or competing or locked up. It's not hate, it's just fairness. And pretending otherwise, that screws everyone. Back in the days, 70s, 80s, transsexuals weren't loud. They weren't on TikTok. They were quiet, miserable. People who couldn't look in the mirror without wanting to claw their face off. Gender dysphoria wasn't a buzzword, it was hell. And for them, transition wasn't a trend, it was survival. But here's where it gets messy. Some people aren't like that. Some like the idea of being a woman. Not because they're broken, just because it turns them on. Autogynephilia, it's not dysphoria, it's desire. And yeah, it's real, but it's not the same. Now, everything's under one big umbrella, transgender. The real ones, the ones who suffered, they're right next to the ones who just like the fantasy. And suddenly, everyone's treated the same. Same bathrooms, same sports, same laws. And the people who actually needed help, they get lost in the noise. And finally, trans women, especially those who transition later, have way higher rates of autism, borderline, depression, you name it. Not saying it's because they're trans, just that there's an overlap. And when you're already struggling, telling someone your body doesn't match your mind can make things even worse, not better. Look, people with borderline or autism, they often have this really shaky sense of who they are. Like the ego isn't solid. And when life's already hard, rejection, loneliness, whatever, they'll grab onto anything that feels like an anchor. I'm not me. I'm her. It's not evil, it's just human. But it doesn't make it true, and pretending it is, that just feeds the cycle. So yeah, that's it. Biology says one thing, feelings say another. And somewhere in the middle, someone's hurting. But changing your body won't fix a broken sense of self. Only time and maybe real help will. What do you think? Drop it below.